Hello again, this is me. Today I got this big box and I want to open it up together with you and also to show appreciation to the person who sent me this. 6 months ago, I volunteered myself to teach her English before she got interviewed for her job. But now she just got the position that she wants, and she wants to say thank you to me. Let's open it up. The box is quite big. Look at this size, and it's heavy. Oh wow, look how many pieces. 1 2 3 4 5. The first, ouch, this one. Can you guess? I can tell this is survival kit. I open it and I see this. It's a salty egg. They say breakable. Be careful. I check it. Oh, it's a raw salty eggs. Yeah. What? Okay. I never seen like this. Normally it's already boiled and ready to eat, but this one's still raw, so we can make like fly eggs or the hard boiled egg first. Now second, can you guess what is this one? I can see the leaf. Must be food. This is the dry fish, and we can eat the whole fish. In Thailand, normally we don't drink milk for calcium because we have the lactose tolerance. So this is another kind or this for calcium that we can eat for the whole thing, include the bone too. This one, can I eat it now? I know it's late night, but this is the kaffir lime leaf. And they have the crispy sesame. Oh, and this one they mix with peanut. Next, this one is heavy. This is the next one, and I could say it might be around 3 or 4 pounds or 1 or 2 kilograms. Can you guess this one? This is a very Thai style of the kids. Can you find in English? There are 4 of them. Yes, it's fish sauce. There are 4 of them. Okay. It's not whiskey. 1 2 3 4. Number 5. Can you guess what is this one? It's a Happy New Year. Ah, the little bowl. How nice. Come together. And the last one, box in the box. I should not check it because it could be food again. Is this the food? Because everything is food. It's the food, but it's the dry food. I love this one. This is all I got, and thank you. I mean, the person who sent me this. I hope you have a happy life at the new workplace, and thank you to make me feel I'm a beloved person. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.